Hi friends! Welcome back to our fun drawing time. Today, we are going to draw a yummy fruit in orange. Let's grab our crayons and pencils and draw this juicy fruit step by step. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Horn on the bus goes beep beep beep, beep beep beep, beep beep beep. Horn on the bus goes beep 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 all day.
Oranges are round, bright, and full of sunshine colors.
Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all day long. Doors on the bus, they open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. Doors on the bus, they open and shut all
Green.
day